If you're looking for a tool to create a contract or an agreement that can be signed for free, this video is for you. It's more with Formaloo, and today I'll show you how to get your contract signed and verified in less than 5 minutes. So let's dive in.
Head to the dashboard and click on New Formaloo, choose HR Portal Templates. We like to create an employment contract here. You can see different pages for different use cases for your HR team. Click on Add New and add a new menu. Rename it to Contracts and click on the plus button. A new page will be added. Click on it and rename it. Then click on the blank page and type / or click on the plus sign. Choose Form, and then create a new form. Once the page is open, you can add a cover picture or a logo. Let's change the title first. Employment contract, and then write a description. In the first field, ask for their name. As you see in the description, you can recall this field with that. I'll show you how it works in a second, but for now, let's delete it. User can write the answer in the field, and then we head to the ID and set an ID for this field. It can help to recall this field later. Now let's add a new field. Choose drop-down and ask their job title. Write your options, and then let's add the next field. We like to verify this person since we're asking for their signature. That's why we use the email verification field. Turn on required option to assure this verification will happen. Then in order to have all the required information, let's ask for employee's phone number. To personalize it more, let's give an ID to the job title field as well. You'll see how it helps later. Let's add a new page and then add a content field to write our terms and conditions. I downloaded an employment contract template and then personalized it. In order to recall a field, we use @, and here I wrote the ID so it will recall the corresponding field. Notice that ID is case sensitive, and it should be the same as what you wrote as ID before. Now, let's add a yes or no field to ask employees to accept or reject the contract. Use a date field and set the default date to today. Add another content field and ask your employee to sign the contract directly or upload their signature. Click on the setting and choose whether you'd like to limit one entry with IP to avoid spam. Then, head to the Design tab and customize your form the way you'd like. I just changed the background color. Now click to view our form, fill it with your information, enter your email, and verify your email. Head to the next page, and as you see, the ID filled our text with the information given. Accept the terms and conditions. Then choose whether you'd like to sign it right here or upload your signature. Click on Submit and voila.
Now you've just learned how to create a contract on Formaloo and how to get it signed for free. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more content. Happy Formalooing!